Assalamu alaikum dear students, I am Farooq Abdullah with Spoken English Lecture 3. Dear students, interestingly when I uploaded my first two lectures regarding spoken English on YouTube, I received different comments from different people. So first of all, I am going to share with you the theme of those comments, the crux of those comments, what I received from different people. One thing was that, sir, you speak very fast. You must speak slow so that we may understand what you are speaking. Okay, all right, followed, copied. From now onward, I will speak slowly, rather I will speak very slowly so that you may get every word what I am speaking. Second thing was that, sir, you are telling us, you are teaching us spoken English skills. Why are you not telling these skills in Urdu so that we may get each and every word, so that we may understand it 100%? Why are you telling all these basics in English? So if you are telling us these basics in English, then how can we improve our spoken English skills? My dear comrades, my dear students, in my first two lectures, I have told you that the most desired skill to enhance your speaking skill is listening. So I am actually providing you the listening skill. These lectures are nothing except listening. So I am providing you listening skill and the kind of words that I am speaking in front of you. Do you think that these are difficult words? Do you think that the kind of vocabulary that I am using in front of you, that is difficult, that is hard to understand for you people? I think that each and every word you can understand. You can understand 100% what I am speaking. I am not using any tough vocabulary. I am not using idiomatic phrases here in these lectures. I am using very easy and very simple language, and I expect that this language that I am speaking in front of you people, everyone, even a student in 9th and 10th class, can understand what I am speaking. So don't be panic, don't be disappointed, keep your spirits up. You will understand, and surely you are understanding. I don't know that why have you commented like this, that you must tell each and everything in Urdu so that we may get it. And second thing is that this lecture is not going to be long enough because I still have to record my lecture for my BS students, so it is going to be very short. In my previous lecture I was talking about accent, that our accent must be good enough. Normally our language goes under the influence of our mother tongue. For example, if I'm a Saraiki speaker at home, so my English will be like Saraiki. If I'm a Punjabi speaker at home, my English will be like Punjabi. So we must sound English when we are speaking English. Now we must not sound Saraiki, we must not sound Punjabi, we must sound English when we are speaking English. And some of the people speak English, it seems that they are not speaking English. It seems that they are speaking Punjabi. It seems that they are speaking Saraiki. Mr. Steward looked water school children, like this. So it seems that this is not English. It apparently seems that this is Saraiki, or this is Punjabi, or this is any other sort of language. You have seen that the Pashto speakers, when they happen to speak Urdu, even their Urdu seems to be Pashto. So when they are speaking English, it would definitely seem that they are not speaking English, they are speaking Pashto. So actually our language goes under the accent of our mother tongue. So it should not be like this. When we are speaking English, we should sound that we are speaking English. So the two tips that I will give you today, then I will switch to my lecture that I am going to record for my BS students. The first tip is that normally all the time we human beings, we keep on thinking certain thing. We keep on thinking about our daily routine. We keep on thinking about our problems. Obviously each and everybody from us thinks about his or her own problems. So nobody thinks about the problems of somebody else. If you are thinking about my problems, you are an angel. So if I am thinking about your problems, I am an angel. So normally it doesn't happen. So normally we think about our own problems. So whenever you are thinking about your problems, whenever you are thinking about your routine, think in English. Generally, normally we think in our native tongue. We think in our mother tongue. So this is a very good tip that I'm going to give you. That that thinking process must be in English. Well, I will cook meal, I will make tea, I will do this, I will do that. So keep on thinking in English whatsoever you are thinking. Your thinking must not be in your mother tongue. Your thinking must be in English. So this is a very good tip that I'm going to give you today. And the next tip is that you people try to speak cracked English. So from now onward, don't try to speak cracked English. Whatsoever you are speaking, that's cracked. You will make mistakes. Make mistakes. Learn from your mistakes. Keep on committing mistakes. Whether you are speaking right English, cracked English, or wrong English, it doesn't matter at all at the initial stage. At the initial stage, what matters is that whether you are speaking or not. So keep on speaking. Just work on it that whether you are speaking or not. Don't work on it that whether you are speaking cracked English or wrong English. After all, we are not native speakers. English is not our first language. English is our second language, or for some of the people, this is their third language, fourth language. So this is not our mother tongue that we will not commit mistakes. When I'm speaking in front of you, do you people think that I'm not committing mistakes? Even I am myself, I am committing many mistakes in front of you people. So it matters not that whether you are committing mistakes or you are not committing mistakes. It matters that whether you are speaking or not. So keep on speaking. Keep on speaking some words out of your lips in front of your family members, in front of your friends. When you go in a park with your friends, so keep on speaking. Don't care about speaking cracked English. Just speak it out. So thank you very much. Keep asking your questions, keep putting your questions, and keep putting your queries. I will try to answer those questions, inshallah, in my next video lecture. My next video lecture will be, in fact, on your questions that you will ask. Thank you very much. Stay happy.